This week, government and industry leaders from South Korea, the United States, and Japan gathered in Seoul and Tokyo to tackle a pressing issue, quantum industrial security. But here's where it gets controversial. These nations are not just focusing on protecting their own interests. They're working together to secure critical technologies in a rapidly evolving global landscape. On Wednesday and Thursday, the trio convened in Seoul for their first session. They continued their discussions in Tokyo on Friday. These trilateral workshops were designed to share best practices and strategies for defending their quantum ecosystems against various threats, including physical breaches, cyber attacks, and infringements on intellectual property. According to the State Department, these meetings underscore the increasing value of collaborative efforts in safeguarding innovation and bolstering the quantum ecosystem. This ecosystem holds the potential to enhance human well-being and boost economic prosperity, not only in the U.S., but also in its partners. It's worth noting that Washington has been enhancing its partnerships with Asian allies as tensions escalate between China and the U.S. over issues such as maritime security, trade, and technological dominance. And this is the part most people miss. The strategic alignment among these countries isn't just about technology. It's about maintaining a competitive edge in the global economy. So, what do you think? Is increased cooperation among these nations necessary for global technological advancement? Or could it lead to a new form of geopolitical alliance? Share your thoughts in the comments.